Hi there, welcome to our Limitless vlog for this week, where we're talking about our Limitless clinics. These are one-to-one careers clinics, and you may remember it's something I spoke about right at the beginning of this year when I talked about our Limitless platform and how what we wanted to do was to launch a series of offerings for everybody to get ahead in their career, no matter where they are. And these one-to-one careers clinics are a bit different because they're very bespoke. As the name suggests, they're one-to-one, where you can come and sit with one of our professionals, and no matter where you are in your career. So you may well already be in a job that you like, but maybe you just want a promotion, or maybe you want to get that next job, maybe you completely want to change your career. Whatever it is, we will go through the standard 8 steps that I created when I very first started to put these career offerings together, but they will be very exclusive to you and your particular situation. You'll see on this particular vlog one of our careers coaches, Rita Barata, talking about the sort of content that she was delivering and the things that they covered. And you'll also hear from Louis, who was somebody who actually attended a careers clinic, and he'll tell you all about how it helped him and the sorts of things we covered for him as well, and what his next steps are. It's something that I'm really excited about launching. Now, we've done loads and loads of work with young people, as you know. We've also worked a lot with mid-level professionals. But what about those individuals, who haven't been made redundant, who have got some career experience behind them, who just really want to get ahead to that next level, or maybe they've left university, highly educated, but just need some help with choosing their niche, packaging themselves up, identifying their audience, finding those interview opportunities, and then closing the sale. Not just that, but then maintaining their career afterwards and going from one step to the next. So I hope you enjoy what you see and that it inspires you. And if you feel that you're in that position where you really need some one-to-one bespoke help to get you to the next level, and as I say, that can be whether you are already in a job that you really enjoy. Obviously we would work with you totally confidentially. We would only put Louis online because he said he was happy for us to film him, so it would be totally confidential to you. It will be very bespoke. It will be exclusively about you and your situation. We will help you find that niche. We will help you package yourself up, identify your audience, get some interviews, smash the interviews, and then once you get the job, go from the next level to the next level to the next level. If you are interested and you think this could be for you, then have a look at the description below of this video, click on the link, it will take you straight to the landing page where you can sign up and we will book you in. As I said, when I did the launch of the Limitless Manifesto back in June last year at the House of Commons, every single person has massive potential in their career, and careers advice should be for every single person, no matter where they are in their career as well. And this is again one of those offerings that I promise that we're delivering, and we're working hard on lots of other things as well. But for now, have a look at this vlog and see what you think of our careers clinic, and I really hope if it's for you, then you sign up.
Hi, I'm Rita. So I just conducted a career clinic today. So these are like intensive one-to-one training sessions of all ages, like literally anybody can apply. They do not really know what is their starting point. They want to get a foot in the door in any sort of industry. So basically I did the career clinic today, and we touched base on topics like CV, life planning, cover letter, also signposting them to places. Say for example, if somebody wants to get into gaming or somebody wants to get into some other sort of industry and they do not really know what are the career routes to take. So we help them with planning as well. So I think it is a good idea for people to enroll in these sessions because firstly, it is intensive, it is one-to-one. So you get that kind of care, you get the timing, you get to sit in with the tutor. You can figure out what are your strengths and weaknesses, and then do write down some action points which you can work on. So yeah, I think it is a great route for people who are not really very sure what kind of career route they want to take. Apart from that, I think when you see a person for 3 hours and you have not any idea about them from beforehand, it's like a sort of a real world situation. So say for example, when people go for interviews, they do not know each other. So you can give them some corrective remedies or suggestions, and I think that helps in confidence building as well as confidence boosting. So it is an effective strategy. Even if people are at different stages of their career, so say for example, it can be an entry-level position, we can help them with guidance in that. Say for example, somebody is thinking of doing a career change, then we can talk about transferable skills which they can bring forward, how they can update their CV, how they can tailor their cover letter, or say even for that instance how they can research about the new industry that they are going to get into, because 80% of how we get success is how much we have researched about the job that we're going to take up. So we help with the research work as well. Then say for example, if any sort of further training is required or any sort of further signposting is required, we help with that as well. So I think it is very beneficial. Overall, I would recommend this Careers Clinic course to people because, like I said before, it is very intensive. It is one-to-one training. At the same time, it helps people to get that focus and clarity, which is very important. And I think because it is within such a short time span, people can definitely sit down, get their goals together and act on whatever action points they have put down for themselves. So it is kind of very beneficial for people.
Hi, my name's Louis. I just had my first Career Clinics session today with Rita, and it was very informative. One of the big things that came out of this was clarity and knowing what you want and setting kind of a vision and a goal for yourself and trying to work towards that goal. So through Career Clinics, I've been given the number of the company Commune IT, which will be helping me to get a foot in the door of the gaming industry. So I did a job in sales for a bit, for a few months, which I didn't really enjoy. And then after that, I continued my education by doing a summer program in America, which was really fun, in-game design. So I knew I wanted to go down this path. And then I did a few months in the restaurant business, so being like a runner. And towards the end, I wasn't really enjoying it. So that's why I really decided to try and get my career on track. I believe it's a new form of media, much like music or film, but it's such a advanced form of it because it's an interactive medium. It's something where it cannot be made without a player. The experience of the player makes the game. So I want to create these worlds and try and invite players in and try and really communicate on a deeper level through the medium of games. Knowing that I want to be a game designer is one thing, but I think my main issue is just trying to figure out how do I get there. And through the Career Clinic, it's been really informative and really helpful because now I know kind of how to get to that stage, not just that I want to go there, but how do I actually go from A to B? And it's through doing all these steps and through contacting other companies and applying for work experience that hopefully I can get to the ultimate job role that I want. Yeah, I would definitely recommend people to come to these career clinics because I know a lot of people now find it really difficult to just figure out what they want, or even if they know what they want, they don't know how to get there, much like me. I went through like the bad job experience and I was just like, I'm kind of done and I want to get on with it. And I think a lot of people are feeling this way, and I think it's a great opportunity.